Okay, so in order for you to delete a course, you just need to click the course and then go to the course manager, and then I'm going to delete this example one. So there is an example one here, so basically you can just delete that one and then look for the other. I think I also have influencer. So that's it. You just need to go to the course manager and then delete. You can also rearrange it if you want and clone it. Okay, this is the options in the course manager. There's also an options here for you to sort by category or by author, and is it a draft or a new courses, or what is the popular courses. Yeah, so that is the course manager all about. Yeah, just pretty straightforward tutorial on how you can navigate your course manager in Learnworlds. Thank you so much, and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see new videos from Bookworm Head related to Learnworlds. Have a great day.